Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, this is Chris. We're going to do an unboxing for you today. The kind people at TomTop were nice enough to send me the small moving head fixture that's behind me on this Nova Pro stand. It's a Lixada moving head. We're going to check it out in just a few minutes. Actually, we're going to check it out right now. So sit back, relax, check it out. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, and let's go. Alright, ready? Let's cut this sucker open. Let's see what's happening over here. We got a whole lot going on. And
alright, let's see what we got in the box.
Mini Gobo. Mini Gobo. Moving headlight. I think I might have cut it open now. Alright, are you helping me? Helper. Helping cats. Alright, before I address, show mode, dimming mode, channel mode, slave mode, voice control selection, which is sound active. Voice control. Voice control. And what we have is we have up to 11 channels. We have a 9-channel and 11-channel option on the fixture, and we have all the normal things, which are labeled a little different in the manual, which is a little funny for me, but it'll serve its purpose. You know what? There's 4 pages in here. They're pretty easy, but you know what we said before, and we'll say it again. We don't do directions. But secondly, here we are. Here is what we have. We have the display in the back with our menu up, down, and enter button. Rather, menu down, up, and enter button. It's a cool looking little light, and it is, as it says, mini LED spot moving headlight, and has a small focus ring on the top to focus it a little bit better. And I think the Gobos are just gonna kind of go nuts and change, but I've never used it before. So let's get it turned on and check it out. All right, let's plug her on in. Here we go. So I'm gonna hold the menu button down, and lets me back in. And sound, enter, sound on. It's gonna take a second. Right now, working with the snap. Quickly. All right, test. Let's do the test. That thing is fast. We got this little guy spinning around right now, just to give you. Is that bright? That's pretty bright. What do we got? We have an LED. Don't know how powerful it is. We got 8 colors. We got a manual focus ring. 11-degree beam angle according to this, 8 patterns with adjustable speed, horizontal, vertical, rotation angle, horizontal, 540, 180, strobing, and dimming, and sound mode or voice control. Voice control. I like automatic and master slave. So normal stuff. We're going to plug it up to DMX and see what it does. They say it's voice active, and it is voice active when I speak like a robot. Alright, so I went ahead and got this thing all wired up into my DMX controller over here, and I gotta set the channel now, so I'm gonna do that right now. It's waiting for me at address 471. Oh, I like that. That's super fast. 471. Let's see if we got it all good here. And we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put stuff up on this wall first. It'll be really small, and then I'll turn the lights off, and we'll move it way back in the corner and move the camera back there and see how it works. As you can see, the DMX just took over. All right. It points down very little bit. So that's something to take into consideration. Of course, if you're hanging them, they'll be pretty banging because this is fast, man. Look how fast that is. That is a fast little mover. Yeah. So that there is pretty sweet. I'm digging out slow moves. I'm liking the patterns. Now I just want to, I'm going to flip it around, turn the lights out, and do it a little further away from here so you get an idea of the size, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm standing here in the dark because I'm about to show you. I got the light up here on the wall. We're at about 14 feet, between 13 and 15. I'm going to put a little haze in the room, and we're going to check it out. I see dead people. While I was finishing up this video, I got to take this out on a couple events and just wanted to let you know it kills it. I love it. This little light is amazing, amazing value for the money. I do mount it like this on my speaker poles right underneath my speaker and use it with DMX. It does have some sound active modes and some show modes. I prefer everything in DMX if you watch any of my videos. And it is super smooth, super fast. It's 25 watt LED. It is bright. And after going to the DJ Expo in Atlantic City just a couple of weeks ago, they have similar products from bigger manufacturers for 5 times the price of this little guy. 5 times, nearly the same light. It's amazing. So if you are interested, click the link below to TomTop. These are available for less than 75 bucks right now. Less than $75. It's ridiculous. I can't tell you how long they'll last, but they feel solid as can be. And again, like I said, I was running them like this, which is probably the toughest on the motor, but no problem whatsoever. Only a couple times used right now, but I love it. I think you'll love it. Check it out. And if you are in the US, make sure and click the US warehouse to get that price. If you're out of the US, click the warehouse that looks closest to you. I know shipping is free and it's on sale right now for less than 75 bucks. Hope you like it. Thanks again for checking out this review, guys. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. Come back and check out some more reviews. Hope you really liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Give me a thumbs up if you did. No, give me a thumbs down if you did. That's fine. I'll take it. I can take it. I can take it. I don't want to take it. Whatever. And come back and check out some more reviews. I've got some audio ones coming up that I think you'll like. A couple products that I found inexpensively that really helped me out this summer, and I'm really excited to just share them with you. So please check it out. If you're interested in the fixture, click the link below. Don't forget to check for sales. Keep going back. You're going to find a good deal on them. I like them. You'll probably like them. I think you'll like them. I hope you like them. I don't know if you like them or not. But please, come check them out. Once again, thumbs up, like the channel. I'm Chris. Have yourself a wonderful night, a great morning. Enjoy your breakfast, enjoy your lunch, enjoy your dinner. But whatever you do, start off with coffee and finish with beer. Cheers!